Hiya! Today I'm going to show you exactly how to personalize your mass emails in just a few minutes. This is the easiest way to make your campaigns feel completely unique, boost your engagement rates, and ensure your recipients never feel like they're just part of a mailing list. To help you create personalized emails at scale, MailMeter uses personalized variables, also known as merge tags. So, step 1. Open your Google Sheet and add your contact list. Remember the golden rule here. One row equals one recipient and one column equals one variable. Make sure to include a column for email addresses along with any custom data like their first name, city or specific topic. Step 2. Launch the add-on. Click on Extensions, navigate to MailMeter, and then click on New Campaign. Step 3. Compose your email. Step 4. Insert your variables. To add a personalization variable to your email, simply click on the double brackets here to insert a variable. Click on it and select the variable you want. Here we'll add the name. And guess what? You can do the exact same thing to personalize your subject line. Just make sure your variable matches your spreadsheet header exactly. Step 5. Check your work. Click on Preview and you'll see the variables that are automatically replaced with the corresponding data from your spreadsheet. Little pro tip here. You can even use this to send targeted content. If you add a variable for a personalized postscriptum but leave the cell blank for certain people, MailMeter will simply leave it out for them. It's a great way to send custom messages without changing your core template. If you want to read through these steps or see more advanced examples, check out the full article linked in the description below. Don't forget to subscribe for more Gmail productivity tips and happy emailing.